welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss about the term votes for women. Can you know why they're not giving women votes and why they're not participating to giving votes women? So in this video we will discuss this topic. I hope you know this topic, so let's start without any. First of all, I will read the paragraph and you can see your screen.
So friends, I have read the passage of votes for women. Now where in the world war have governments shared power all over Europe and USA. Women and the poor have had to fight for participation in government. Women's struggle to vote got during the First World War. This movement is called the women's suffrage government, as the term suffrage usually means right to vote. During the war, many men were away fighting, and because of this, women were called upon to do work that was man's work. Women began organizing and managing different kinds of work. When people saw, they began to wonder why they had created so many unfair about women and what they were of doing. So many women began to be seen as began quickly of making decisions. They demanded the right to vote for all women, and to get their demands, they changed themselves to railing in the public places. Many were and went on hunger strike, and they had to be fed by force. American women got the right to vote in 1920, while women in the UK got to vote on the same terms as men some years later, in 1928. So, I can read decisions for the entire population. These days, a government cannot call itself democratic unless it allows what is known as. This means that all in the country are allowed to vote. But it was not always like this. Can you believe that there was a time when governments did not allow women and the poor to participate in elections in their forms? Governments allowed only men who owned property and were educated to vote. This means that women, the poor, the propertyless, and the uneducated were not allowed to vote. The country was governed by the rules and regulations that these few men made. In the India before independence, only a small minority was allowed to vote, and they therefore came together to the majority. Survival people, including Gandhiji, were shocked at of this practice and demanded that all have the right to vote. This is known as writing in the journal Young India in 1931. Gandhiji said, "I cannot possibly bear the idea that a man who has got should have the vote, but that a man who has got character but no should have no vote, or that a man who works honestly by the sweat of his brow day in and day out should not have the vote for the crime of being a poor man." And thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.